Okay, so let's talk a little bit about this bagging system, how it works, the environmental features of it, and how to get the most out of your Laveo toilet. So, first of all, what I've done here is I've actually removed out of the toilet itself this piece here, which is the retainer bucket. It just lifts out very, very easy, no clicks or catches, just lift it out. Now, inside of that bucket goes a simple garbage bag, which you get when we send you a Laveo refill cartridge. Normally there's an elastic band that goes around there, which we also ship when we send you a refill cartridge. So if you imagine inside of this cartridge there is 15 flushes or 15 of these mylar bags stacked on top of each other. What happens when you flush it, imagine a big long football sock. If you drop a orange into the bottom of that football sock or a mandarin and then you twist that around, it seals in all of that waste, which is one of the key features here. It blocks and closes off all the smell. And then once you drop that orange in, you've got a new bottom to that sock, and then that one gets twisted around. You've got two packages down the bottom and so on. So effectively, this is one big mylar sock that is being pushed down using the patented twist and fan system in this particular toilet. Now, when it comes time to change the cartridge, what we recommend that you do is either just pull this mylar out of the plastic rim, put the plastic rim into the recycling. This one here, it's all wrapped up parcels of waste, nice and hygienically wrapped, and you simply take the garbage bag like that, you twist it around and you dispose of it thoughtfully like a doggy bag or like a nappy into any garbage bin. And that's what you do to replace it. Now, in order to maintain these mylar bags so you don't use as many of them, the other product that we have here is called pea powder. Now, this pea powder is very, very powerful. Here's a fun fact for you. This is about the average amount of wee that a human does when they go to the bathroom to do a number one. You put simply about half a teaspoon of this into the base, or into the bowl here before you do a number one, and about 90 seconds later, it turns that pea into this gelatin. Now, not only does it turn into the gelatin, but it stops it sloshing around, and it also deodorizes your wee so that your wee becomes a solid in here. You can do 2 or 3 wees before you need to flush, maybe then do a number 2 and hit flush. So in reality, rather than just the 15 flushes that are stacked in the cartridge here, you can get usually 25 to 30 actual uses out of the cartridge before you need to replace the cartridge. So that's how the system works. Hopefully that makes sense to you. And to change this, to actually pull the bucket out, replace the bag and the cartridge takes about 60 seconds. Very easy to do. It doesn't draw any water from your water supply if you're using this in a caravan. It doesn't draw on power either because it's got a 3-month charge in the battery, but of course you could connect it to your inverter or AC/DC and do it that way as well. It is a really, really cool system. You could literally plonk this down at the beach at Fraser Island if you wanted to. You've got a fully flushing, clean, hygienic toilet that you can take anywhere, hence the tagline, go anywhere. Hopefully that makes sense. Between the bags, the pea powder, and this wonderful toilet, you've got an amazing solution to a no smell, no chemical toilet. Thanks for watching.